Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will do the room tour of Royal Suite room of Hotel Best Western Marriott Amritsar. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. On the second floor, we are entering the room in which we put the room key. In the front of the door, there is two sofas and table. This is a 32 inches LED TV. After going forward, here is a cupboard under which there are some amenities are placed which is provided to the guest at the time of stay. It includes one water bottle, two coffee cup and one tea maker. It is a bed of royal suite room and it is well decorated. On the right side of the bed there are two sofas and one table. The sofa is facing the window and there is a curtain hanged. Here is a bedside table. It contains telephone, a writing pad, a pencil and a lamp is placed nearer to it. This is the view of the city from the Royal Suite room. This hotel is also known as Downtown Hotel because it is nearer to the cinema halls, shopping malls. Here is a writing table on which menu, welcome letter and a lamp is placed. This is a directory under the LED TV and it is a luggage rack in which guest place his luggage. After going to other side of the room, here is a second bedside table. These are some cupboards in which laundry bag, shoe polish are placed. These are some hangers which are used by the guests while stay. The price of this room is 10,000 per night. Heading towards the bathroom, on the right side of the bathroom there is a mirror and a wash basin. Some bathroom supplies are placed on the wash basin. It is a bathtub. Some bath supplies are placed nearer to the bathtub. These are face and body towel. It is a WC and a sanny bin. On the sanny bin, a phone is hanged in the wall by coming out from the bathroom. Here is a two high chairs and a table which are used by the guest for drinking and eating purpose. These are some images of Royal Suite room. I met with Prem Tillo in this room. If you like our video, so please subscribe our channel. Lot of new content is on the way.